Hello and happy holidays, my friends. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen, the 435th episode and the 12th episode of Ellen's Christmas Series 2020. It's another freezing cold day outside and I'm wearing my onesie. So today I'm going to share with all of you another great hot chocolate recipe. We're going to make white hot chocolate. And my friends, it is thebomb.com. It's going to be so delicious, simple and easy to make. Only call for 5 ingredients and it's full of white chocolate goodness. Great for the holiday season and the winter months. And this would be perfect to drink for wrapping gifts. Everybody's going to fall in love with this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my other hot chocolate recipes. From mint hot chocolate to orange hot chocolate to dark hot chocolate. And my previous video, white chocolate chip cookies. I'll post a link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your milk, your heavy cream, and your white chocolate sugar because we're about to make some white hot chocolate magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. All right, my friends, in my large pot, I got the fire over medium-low heat. We're going to add in 1 cup of white chocolate chips and 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And give it a quick stir. And we're going to heat this until the chocolate chip melts. All right, my friends, the white chocolate chips has melted. So now it's time to add in the milks. 2 cups of whole milk. And 2 cups of half and half, which is half milk, half heavy cream. Give this a stir. And all we do is let this simmer and heat through. All right, my friends, our white hot chocolate is nice and hot. So now I'm going to cut the fire off. And there's one more thing we got to add to it. 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And stir that in. And now our white hot chocolate is ready to serve. See how simple and easy it was? So now I'm about to fix me up a cup and I'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I fixed me up a cup and there's a couple more things we got to add to it. Some whipped cream. Some white chocolate chips. And a straw. Just like that. And there you have it, my friends. White hot chocolate. Don't that look delicious? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Cheers. Creamy, decadent, and it smells amazing. Ain't nothing like white chocolate. This hot cocoa is fabulous, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. Yum-o. White hot chocolate-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Much love, stay safe, stay warm, Merry Christmas, and happy holidays. Cheers.